Arrive in style with this Jeep 2016 Cherokee 75th Anniversary Edition. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, auxiliary transmission oil cooler, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.